Hey everybody, we're going to talk about the AirCross 100H3 spot machine. So this is a carpet spotter or upholstery spotter extraction machine. This has a 100 PSI pump. It's heated with a 600 watt heater and it's got a 3-gallon tank. It does come with a hose set and the upholstery tool here as well. So you can use this for basic spot cleaning around the house. For residential use, for commercial use, whether you're a contractor or even a homeowner. The basic features would be the 100 PSI pump. It's a little bit more than the alternative, which is 55 PSI. We like the larger 100 PSI pump because you get more productive extraction and rinsing, more thorough rinsing to get all your chemical and your residual and the stains and whatever you're cleaning out of the carpet or upholstery. You just get a better rinse. Diving in, this has the waste tank on top, the freshwater tank on the bottom. This has a sliding handle, so if you have the hose on here and you're going to walk around with it, you'll just pull this out and you can wheel it around. Makes it real easy to roll around. Of course, you have the vacuum hose that's going to connect on this side here, right onto this port, and then you've got the quick connect down here for the water pressure, and that's where this is going to go. So you'll plug that there, you put the vacuum hose here, and you're basically going to spray your water out of there, and you're going to suck your water back into here. Turning this around, you've got your cord wrapped around the top here, and then these are your switches. Here you have your 3 power switches. You have your vacuum motor, your heater, and then your pump. Of course, this is not a pump out, it's just your water pump for your water pressure. So you go on. While you're getting it set up, you could just turn on your heater and let the water heat up a little bit, and then when you're ready to clean, then turn on your vac motor and your water pump. So I'll turn those back off for now. This is your cord. You've got your wheels down on the front here, your exhaust underneath, and then this is a quick release to open up the inside of the machine. And then you can turn this, and then this basically just pops off like this. So this is your waste tank. On the top you have your lid. This will unscrew. And inside there you'll see the stack, the PVC pipe that goes down to the vac motor, which is right there. That'll be your suction. What happens is you're drawing suction through that stack into this. So your suction is actually pulling your wastewater into this port here with your vacuum hose. But when it comes time to dump, you could just take that hose off of there. When this is full, you can just take this off and dump that down the drain. I suppose you could also dump it this way, but you don't want to get water all dripping down in because that's for your vacuum port, and you don't really want water getting in there because if water gets in there, then it's going to get down into your vacuum motor. If you can, try to make that your way of dumping it out of that line there. You just tip it over and that's it. Setting that aside, to fill this machine on the back side here is your water inlet. This is where you're going to dump in your fresh water. If you're using an acid rinse or a detergent rinse, that can go in the water with it. But you're going to put this in for your fresh water, and that's basically your rinse water. Fill that up, turn your heater on after the water is in there, and then that's going to draw. There's a pump down in there that's going to draw it, and that's going to be your outlet. So this is your outlet for your water pressure, and that's where you're going to put your quick connect here, and that's your water pressure line. So once you put your water in the machine and you connect that, you're going to put this on, and then you're going to attach your vacuum hose to here. The machine is ready to go. Here's your tool. Switches are on the front side. Turn it on and get to cleaning. So if you have any questions about this machine in further detail, feel free to comment at the bottom of this video. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. But this is the AirCross 100H3, 100 PSI with heat, 3-gallon waste tank. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day.